जान है तेरी अता.
All of a sudden we are seeing the rise, and we are dealing with about approximately 2,000 patients per month. And for surgeries, on an average 50 patients per month of cataract surgeries, and around 100 to 200 patients per month of other procedures. So our eye department started about 11 years back. We started off as a small clinic for renal transplant recipients only. Afterwards, we had to extend it even further because there was more demand. Patients needed these treatments, so we opened it to all. Now, obviously, we do medical treatment first. Whenever surgery is needed, all surgeries are provided. So now SIUT deals with all ophthalmic or eye-related problems. We have our slit lamp, which is for eye examination. Then we do visual assessment. We have those charts and automatic refractometers and automatic intraocular pressure measurement. For further assessment, we have OCT and OCT-A as well, which is the latest version of the machine. Then for glaucoma patients, we have visual field analyzers. For diabetic patients and others, we have different kinds of lasers. For intraocular lens implantation, for lens measurement, we have again state-of-the-art equipment to try our level best to take the best and most accurate lens number. You know, at SIUT we don't charge anything from the patient, so we do implant those lenses too. Like Arif Saab has always told us, that this place was built by, has always been run by, it's all done by Pakistanis. Whether they are living here or abroad, it doesn't matter. So it's their support, it's our dedication that we together we are achieving. So yes, we need their support, in whether it's in financial way or whether it's in moral support, in socializing, in spreading the word, no matter how they can help us. So yes, we need support and help from our community.
इस सोच पर ईमान